Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in SoHo on Mercer Street, and I'm in an apartment, 2-bedroom, that is gonna get some interior design work done. So let me show you around a little bit. That's Broadway down there. And in that direction is Mercer. And for this project, I'm gonna do the floor plan drawing, the reflected ceiling plan drawing, and the electrical plan. So let me walk you through quickly. Obviously, this is great room kitchen. Then this is a common hallway. That door straight ahead is the front door. This is, I would call this bedroom number 2 with a bathroom. We have common powder room right there. You can see the old columns. And then down this way is going to be your master bedroom with walk-in closet and master bath. So this is what I'm working on today. I thought I would show you around. Thank you for viewing my video. And if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it's in Manhattan or in the Hamptons or upstate in New York or Connecticut or something, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.